Okay, we're back with Arctic Fox. Purple AF. That is so cringe. But that's the color that it's called. We're gonna try to dye the, I guess I have like frosted tips now. Since I cut my hair and my hair grows very fast. So, yeah, I figured, I know, I'm gonna get some comments like, it's not, you gotta bleach it again, this and that. I don't wanna bleach it again, okay? I don't want to. The red mostly fell out. In the back, it's more prominently like pink. And it's a little wet right now, so it looks even darker than it usually is. But I used my big brain to think. I was like, red, purple. Purple has red in it. If I put purple on top of the red, it should purplify it, maybe, possibly. I don't know, honestly. But I think it makes sense. So, yeah, we're gonna test. You know what? Honestly, this should be the real test for Arctic Fox. Can it dye hair that isn't even properly bleached? So this is like the real test for it. So I'm gonna have Olivia put this in and we'll film it and we will see. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so the dye is in. Gonna put a gonna put a plastic bag on my head and let this rest, and then I'll shower it out. Just looks like I have black hair again. I should just go to places like this with a plastic bag. Like, you need groceries? Got a plastic bag on my head. Perfect. Thank you. Appreciate that. All right, so we'll let this sit for what? How long? Like an hour? And then I'll wash it out and we'll see the results. We'll see if Arctic Fox can dye hair that's not really meant to be dyed. So this is it right after it's wet, so it's still a little dark, but tell me that ain't kind of sick. Black hair going to the purple, I like it. I think it came out great. Let me update you guys when it's dry and not as wet and dark. Okay, so here's the final product. My hair's pretty much dry. It's definitely purple AF, get it? Purple AF, okay, sorry. But yeah, it's more like purple highlights since most of my hair it was like half black, half dyed, but I like it. I like it. It's like almost like a grading because it's so dark from my black hair. So I don't know. I think it looks dope. You guys obviously let me know what you think in the comments. I like it. I kind of got like a mushroom do going on right now because Olivia just shaved my sides. But I think if it's styled nice and put up in a nice way, it's gonna look dope. I keep touching it because I just like it so much. But yeah. Yeah, I like it. I think it matches well with the black. So that was Arctic Fox's Purple AF on my not so dyeable hair. It was already colored, but it worked well. It went right through it. My hypothesis with the red and the purple worked out perfectly. So you could say I'm somewhat of a scientist myself. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching this. Arctic Fox definitely is the best hair dye out there that I've done. So yeah. Like I said again, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.